Okay, here's what I love. King Solomon, man, my boy got bars. This is what he says. In the morning sow your seed, and at evening withhold not your hand. Don't be idle with your hand. Watch this. For you do not know which will prosper, this or that, or whether both alike will be good. So in other words, if I'm not putting out content day and night, if I'm not reaching out day and night, then don't expect to get day and night results. The biggest issue that most speakers have is they're like, yo, I'm not getting booked. Of course you're not getting booked because I don't see you doing the work. Your hands are idle. You lazy. You only work when somebody cuts you a check rather than working even when somebody don't cut you a check. If you want the check, then I need to see you put the check work. And so Solomon made it simple. So every day you need to be sowing something. Every day you need to be posting something. Every day you need to be reaching out to somebody. Next slide for me. Golden rule. If you didn't record it, it never happened. You cannot monetize what you don't have. True story, Antonio. I had a client. They were like, yo, man, I want to go speak for the White House. I said, that's deep. That's what I told him. I said, that's deep. I said, did you get the content with Camilla and Joe Biden? I said, no, I didn't. I said, you didn't get the content, and you was at the White House. Question, how do I know you went to the White House? I'm telling you. I said, that's not legit. Because I cannot monetize something that I don't have. So how can I say to you that I'm a high-level expert and I'm a beast at what I do, but I don't see you beasting content? I should have seen you pull up to the White House. Oh, man, but they said I couldn't record. You could have got something going up to the gate at least. You could have got something. Get the flag. Capture something. You feel me? Next slide, please. All right, here we go. The 4 ingredients that you need to add to your speaking company. Next slide. Here we go, okay? Lead sauce, okay? This is what I want you to do. Now, how many of you honestly be like, yo, Will, I ain't going to hold you, man. There's many times that I go on Google and I type in high schools, or I type in middle schools, and I go down the list trying to research these people. This is going to save you time. Schooldigger.com and mycollegeselection.com is going to give you the opportunity to look at all the schools in the United States. It's also going to give you the opportunity to look at all the colleges in the United States. Why is this important? Because if I have a lead generation specialist, I can have them go to this website, and I can literally have them go, schools in Arizona, give me all the middle schools. They go pull all the leads, you put the leads into your software, and let the software do the work. Is this making sense? This is how you work smarter and not harder. I cannot tell you how many speakers say I'm a speaker, and I'm like, well, what's your back end look like? Oh, it ain't all that. Well, you ain't a speaker. You ain't got a back end. Do you even know who to follow up with? Do you even know who you last talked to? Nah, so you just winging it, expecting God to just bless your wing. Right there. Make sure you take those pictures, okay? Now, you guys don't want to make sure you take pictures of this because this is going to be important. These are the people you need to reach out to. College target titles, and my boy Odell going to be here tomorrow, so he's going to give you more game on the college market, okay? Take a picture of that.